Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein for 10-minute trades. Even though we weren't planning to trade at all this week, we did take one trade at the end of the week. Even though we warned everybody it probably wasn't a great safe time to trade because of the holidays, but we added a significant amount of money to our prop account anyway. Sometimes you still want to be safe. You don't want to always do what I do. Very often you want to do the right thing. Let me show you what I mean. During the holidays, it's generally not wise to trade because liquidity and volume are not on the high side. They could create orders that you can't get filled on, so it could create problems. That's why one of the main reasons holiday trading can be not very smart. And that's why we always say that we're trading for educational purposes. Don't trade money you cannot afford to lose. Be smart. Trade properly. Even still, very advanced traders will sometimes trade whenever they feel like it. They know what the risks are. I knew there was extra risk on this trap trade. We were trading the ISM Manufacturing. I was expecting the trade to reverse on the ES, and watch what happens. It's going to fill one order. My orders are going to show up on the chart very soon. Here's my orders. What's going to happen is the price is going to move. The news comes out, I get filled to the short side. Remember, price goes up, I get filled short, and then immediately it hits my target, and I'm out of the trade with $375 in profit. So I'll take it. I traded it in my prop account. I would not recommend trading this time of year. I did test this particular setup. I felt that for me, an advanced trader in an account that would not have been severely harmed if the trade didn't work, the risk was not that bad. I could take the risk, and it wound up adding a whole bunch of money to my prop account. You have to know what you're doing in order to trade properly. And that's why we want you to join with us, to spend time with us, so you can learn when to take the risk, when not to take the risk, when you want to do things the right way. It's important to learn and spend time with us. So Leigh Goldstein for 10-minute trades. I'm going to call ISM Manufacturing my trade of the week, our trade of the week this week. Two other members in the room made a couple of $100 on the trade with their own setups. And one of our members traded a magnet trade just as we got into the trade room when the ES tested the high of the day. There's lots of opportunity to look forward to in 2025. I'm looking forward to teaching everyone how to do this type of trading, and I can't wait to get started next week. Leigh Goldstein for 10-minute trades. I took a trade. Maybe I shouldn't have traded, but I still put quite a bit of money into my prop account. No harm, no foul. See you all next week. Have a great weekend. The holiday's over. Time to get to work.